Hi, everybody. Uh, it's been a while. Um, I have a little bit of an update for you, and I don't normally do this type of talking head style video, but I thought I'd let you see my ugly mug and kind of let you know what's been going on around here over the last couple of weeks. First, before I do this, Charlie Mack, thank you for the wonderful card. Thank you for the great words on the back, sir. You are a pillar of the community. Thank you so much. And I'm pretty sure everybody who's subscribed to my channel is subscribed to Charlie Mack. So if not, go check him out. Beautiful stuff, Charlie. Always. You may hear in my voice that I'm having a hard time kind of breathing right now. Just trying to keep my breath going and stuff like that. So this past Sunday, was that the 30th of May, I guess? Yes. 30th? 29th. I don't know. This past Sunday, whatever day it was. I ended up having an okay day. I was tired, and I couldn't figure out why I was so tired and worn out. So I just kind of took an easy day on Sunday. I didn't do a whole lot, and noticed that, I was getting a little winded. On Monday morning, when I got up to go to work and took a shower and went downstairs to eat some breakfast and get ready to go to work, by the time I got downstairs, I couldn't catch my breath. I was breathing very, very hard. My heart was racing a mile a minute. After like 10, 15 minutes or so of just sitting at the kitchen table, breathing hard, like I can't even describe it. I just could not catch my breath. It felt like I had run a marathon, and I just couldn't catch my breath. My wife took me to the ER. Spent all day, well, actually a day and a half in the hospital after that. And what we ended up finding out was that I have pulmonary embolisms in both lungs. Luckily, I went to the ER as soon as I did, because if I hadn't, I probably wouldn't be here now. They said that I have a lot of blood clots, essentially in my lungs. Also in my lower legs, because that's where blood clots start. But they released me from the hospital on Tuesday afternoon, and I've been home resting since then. I'm on a blood thinner now to reduce the amount of blood clots that I have, stop them from forming new blood clots and joining together and make bigger ones, that kind of stuff. So that's kind of what's been happening. So don't have a direct cause for why this happened. Usually, if you don't know, blood clots are usually started after something traumatic or invasive. So like usually after you have surgery is when you would normally get blood clots. Well, I haven't had any surgeries or anything like that in a couple of years. So they're not sure what's going on and why these things have started. When they were doing a CT scan to figure out what was going on with my lungs and my heart and all that kind of stuff, they did say that they found 2 spots in my lungs, and they're unsure as to whether or not if they're related to the blood clots or something else. So in a couple of weeks, I'll have another CT scan. If the size of those spots has reduced or disappeared, then they're a blood clot related. If they don't, then it's something else, and there'll be more tests. So I just want to let you guys know what was going on, and also why you also haven't seen a whole lot from me for the last couple of weeks. As you know, with my job, I moved from night shift to day shift at the beginning of the year. Well, the amount of meetings and computer time and all that kind of stuff that I need to do now on day shift has skyrocketed. So by the time I get home from work and stuff like that, I just don't want to be on the computer anymore. Excuse me, I'm sorry, guys. So I haven't even been doing a whole lot in the way of modeling. I'm just burnt out. So I apologize to you all because I haven't been watching anybody's videos in the last few weeks. I'm just burnt. Essentially, that's what it boils down to. So again, I apologize for, not keeping up with everybody's stuff. I will enjoy watching everybody's videos and things like that. I'm just trying to stay away from my computer and do other things that aren't electronic related because I'm doing it so much. I did finish the Dodge Dart, the 68, yeah, 68 Dodge Dart. And I've got it. I'll just show it to you real quick. I'm not happy with it. I will tell you that this went through the acid wash of IPA, 91% IPA alcohol 4 times because the paint would not adhere to the body. As a matter of fact, let's see if I can get this to show up here. You can see there's still remnants of the old paint underneath the new paint, things like that. You can see some of it in there. So I'm not very happy with the way this kit turned out. I did finish it. Again, I'm not very happy with it, but it's done. Even when I got to the point of just trying to put the door handles on, you can see that the glue just made a mess of all the paint. This kit just fought me every step of the way, and just made me really just want to trash it, but I didn't want to let it win, so I didn't. I did get, I'm a little close. I did get the bust done, put together for the most part. I just have to get it primed. I have to find a brass rod to go in the base because of the way it's shaped, and the pillants, again, sorry, big head, pillants that it comes with is angled, so if you were to set this directly on here, it looks stupid. It needs to be up off of it a little bit because of the angle of this. So I have to find a brass rod for that, and just with everything that's going on, it's not been a priority. So I've been taking care of that. So again, guys, I just wanted to give you all just a heads up on what's been going on here and what's been going on with me. I miss you all. I hope you're all doing well. I will attempt to catch up with videos and things like that as I can. And as I know more as to what's going on with my lungs and things like that, I'll let you guys know. And I hope everybody else is doing okay. And I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye.